fix Windows 10 lagging or slow problem. So if you want to fix your Windows 10 or 11 lagging or slow problem, then first you just need to simply open up your settings. To open up your settings, you need to just simply go with General section. If you're using your Windows 10, you need to go with General section. But if you're using your Windows 11, you need to go with Privacy and Security and then go with General. Now under General, make sure that all of these options are turned off. And after that, find the speech option and make sure that the speech is also turned off, and go with the inking and typing personalization, and then activity history. Make sure that it is all turned off. You can also go with locations, diagnosis, search permissions, or searching windows. You need to simply go and turn these options off. Once you turn this off, then you will fix your lagging problem. Once you've done with all of these settings, you need to simply go back and then restart your device. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.